Today we are gonna cover a topic called props in React. So we see React component use props to communicate with each other. Every parent component can pass some information to its child components by giving them the props. Props is a short form of properties. Let's see in detail. I have installed a React project called React tutorial, and in here we see a file called index.js. Let's make it JSX and delete everything from here and run our server npm run dev. So this is our server. There is nothing and it's showing error because in this file or component we don't have anything. Let's say make a function called, we are exporting the function and it will default function of this component called parent. Props are properties, so we can pass data from the parent to child component. So let's return some HTML. Let's call it passing props. We have missed function keyword. Let's see if it's showing or not. Yeah, it's showing. This is our parent components, and we will pass our properties or data in the child component. Let's make a component called child. And make a same function called export default function child. Return some HTML. Let's say, okay, let's move on to the parent, then we'll move to the child. Let's import the child component in the parent component. Okay, let's use the child component in our parent component called child, and let's pass some data in there. Let's say data will be message. This is a prop passed from parent. Let's say this. Let's say how we can accept the props and show in our child component. So we can accept the prop in here like this. Then we can use props dot message, because we use the keyword message, that's why we have to use in here. So you see, this is a prop passed from parent. It's showing from the child component. Let's remove the child component and see if it's showing or not. It's not showing. But when we active the child component, the data is showing from the child component. Thank you.